Ladies and gentlemen, as promised, today's video is on how to log out. So first, in order to log out, let's log in. Just a side note, if anybody that is coming and not a part of this series, this is how to log out from Flask using the specific implementation that we've done here using the global user. So if anybody is using anything other than that, it's not a one-fits-all, so it may not work. I think we had meho@gmail.com, so we're going to first log in. We're successfully logged in. And if we go to the home page, we can see that it keeps saying welcome Meho. Okay, how do we log out? Simple. We do a app.routes logout. Okay, and we're gonna do a simple logout, and we're simply going to, first things first, we want to pop. So if session.get user ID is not none, if there is such a thing, okay, then we're going to session.pop, which just basically gets rid of this user ID, and we want to also ensure that it's not cached or anything by doing g.user equals none. So we're basically removing the user ID from the cookies where it's stored in the session cookies, and we're also going to force this upon the logout. And now we can do something called render template. Ideally we would, return render template. Ideally we would want to do URL4 redirection here, redirect URL4 homepage. We haven't covered that yet, and I'm hoping we can cover all of those in the future videos, starting from this one actually. So we're just going to go ahead and return render template for index.html, which is our homepage. And this should really do it. So now when we're here, okay, we're logged in, we don't know how to log out. We go to log out, and it has logged us out successfully. And now when we go to the home page, we're no longer logged in. Okay, but if we log in again, we should be able to access meho@gmail.com. And now we're successfully logged in, and every time we go to the home page now, until we hit the logout route, which can also be a button, for example, you can make a button go to /logout, and that will also do the same purpose. It leads us here. In the future videos, we're going to cover redirect and URL4 so that we avoid situations like this and we avoid duplicate form submissions and vice versa. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for tuning into this one. Have a wonderful day. I wish you all the best.